Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Nice to see joining in today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 7th, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and this one is a medium Sudoku. Let me focus this, yes. But there is also in this newspaper an additional with 6 Sudokus, so total of 7 Sudokus to solve. But first one, I will solve this regular Sudoku Medium, and before I start, I want to count the printed numbers, digits in this puzzle. So we have here 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10, 13, 17, 18, 21, 22, plus 4 is 26. 26 printed numbers. That means if I compare with the additional with extra Sudokus, the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars are in the additional, and I remember the first one was a 1 star Sudoku with 27 printed numbers. The second one, 2 stars Sudoku with 26. We have here 26, so you can compare it with 2 star Sudoku. Yes. The indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always say 26 is always 2 stars. Sometimes with 26 number I need more than 30 minutes to solve. So the minutes, the time that you solve indicates the level, I think. Yes. Sometimes you make mistakes, alright, but suppose you have not made any mistakes and the level is high. That means that in that puzzle a lot of pairs. Anyway, let's get started. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 3 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9, 1, and 2. Look, we have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. How about this big square? No. Let me see. Other numbers first. Yeah. We have here. Alright. 1, 4. Yes, 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. I need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? No, No. This should be the 8 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. 8 and the 3 need to wait. How about the number? Yeah. Yeah. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. That means these 3 numbers are the numbers in the second column. Second column. The 1 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 178. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? Those numbers are 1, 8 and 7, 1, 8 and 7. The other 2, 3 and 9. So one number left should be the number 3 and 9. Should be the 8. Yeah, the 8. The 8 is missing here. 1, 4, and the 9 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So we have an 8 there. Okay. So in this column, the middle column, 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 1 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? 8 and 5. Yes. The last row, 2 numbers left. The 8 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 2, 3, and the 6 are missing. All right. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And then, how about these 3 numbers? Those numbers are the 9, the 2, and the 3. 9, 2, 3. 9, 2, 3. So we have a 3 in this row, the first row, a 3 in the third row. So in the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in this second row for the number 8. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then 7, 9, and the 1. Ooh, I can't. Oh, 1 number left in this big square. Should be the number 2. Then, how about these 3 numbers? The 1 is missing. The 7 is missing. And the 6 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6. Need to know what number is this. 2, 3, 2. Yeah. 3, 3. Yes, 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 5 numbers left in the middle row. One of the missing number in the middle row is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 box left in the second column for the number 9, I believe. Nope, 9 we have. Should be the 2. Nope, 2 should be here. The 1 is missing. Yes, alright. 1 is missing. That means in this big square, we have a 1 here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. That we have a 1 over there, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1. I cannot continue with the 1. How about these 2 numbers now? 7 and 6 are left. 7 and 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the last column. So the column between. The only box left for the 6 should be there. And now, how about 2, 3, and a 9 and a 3. No. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. and we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Now 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Now we have 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great medium Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe only if you want, only if you can, or and hit the bell button, because if you want to be notified by YouTube, YouTube will notify you if there are new Sudokus on my channel. So stay tuned. Yes. Thank you again for watching this episode. Take care, stay healthy, keep on puzzling, and see you soon with the extra Sudokus, the additional. Bye bye for now.